Hey everyone, today we're going to use the Bode plot function in Matlab, and we're going to plot this function, which is 5s plus 10 over 4s squared plus 5s plus 7. So in order to begin, we're going to insert our numerator. So our numerator is n equals, and you use descending powers. So it's 5 and 10. 5s to the 1, 10s to the 0. Okay, now let's do our denominator. So d equals, so we have 4s squared, we have 5s, and we have 7. Perfect. So now we're going to use the transfer function in Matlab. So that's just, we're going to call our transfer function tf. So now that's equal to transfer function, brackets, n, comma, d, and equal that. So that's our transfer function. Yep, that makes sense. That's what we have. Okay, so now what we're going to want to do is go Bode, and then in brackets just type in tf, because that's what we labeled our transfer function. We could have labeled this anything, but we labeled it tf. So now we're going to hit enter, and here's our Bode diagram. Okay, so now let's do another example. What if our transfer function is 5s plus 10 over 6s squared plus 3? Well, you know how to do the first part. This n is equal to, so we have 5 and then 10. Okay, now our denominator, this is where it's a little different. So we have d is equal to, we have 6, you guessed it, but we can't just put 3, because then Matlab will think we're 6s plus 3, right? So we have to do descending powers. So we have 6s squared as our highest, so then we have to think of what would be the s to the 1 term, and we don't have one. So we're going to put 0. And then what's the s to the 0 term? Well, we do have that. That's 3. So close bracket. Perfect. So now we're going to name our transfer function equal to the transfer function of n, comma, d. And there we go. It knows exactly what we put in. So now we're going to do the same thing. If we're looking for the Bode plot, just type in Bode of tf, or whatever we named our transfer function. In this case, we just named our transfer function tf. Enter. And then Matlab will generate our Bode plot. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.